Right. Hi, students. Good evening. We are going to start our extra class. Can someone please confirm whether you all can see me and hear me clearly so that we can start the class? Right. So today was just now I came home, right, from work. Right. Thank you, Ziana. So just now I came home from work. Right. Good evening, Lakshini. Thank you. So as soon as I came, yes, here we are. So I wanted to start the class on time and finish the class on time, right? So, and then the recordings that we had for the classes that we had previously yesterday, I will be uploading hopefully by tomorrow. Give me some time, right? The work that I'm doing is a bit hectic, okay? So please don't mind. And if I don't upload by tomorrow, please remind me if you don't mind, okay? So even if I forget, please remind me so that I will upload it as soon as possible, right? So give me a second. So give me a second, I'll be back. Right. So, okay, students. So the thing is, we had stopped, if I'm not wrong, can someone please confirm? This is where we had stopped yesterday. Okay. So this area, statement of financial position, this is where we had stopped yesterday. Can someone please confirm? Yes, whether this is where we have to do it. And I given you all homework. I had given you all homework. Right. Okay. Very good. So the homework that some students have sent me the homework. I appreciate them. Others make sure you all are doing the homework without any delay. Right. Okay. Right. So what is the purpose of right? Okay. So what is the purpose of the financial statement? Is to present the what? Financial is to present the, okay, so there is some error with the USB thing. Present the financial what? Is it position or performance? Someone please tell me. Is the financial position or performance? We had learned this yesterday. Is it position or performance? What we check in the financial statement of financial position. Right. Very good, Zia. Right. So It is financial position of a business at as at any given point of time, right? As at any given point of time. This was the this is the thing, right? Okay. Right, this is the structure of financial position, right? So you can write a name and then statement of financial position. You can put the date, for example 31st March 2025, Lakshini's business. You can put like this, right? For example, I'm taking an example, right? Okay. So right, so this is the format of statement of financial position. First of all, you go and record non-current assets. What are non-current assets? Can someone please tell me what is non-current assets? Can someone please tell me what is non-current assets? What is the meaning? I don't want the definition, the exact definition, no. Just your understanding what is non-current assets. We have learned. We have learned this. Right? So non-current asset, yes. Yes, very good. You can use it for more than 1 year, right? More than 1 year, and this is less than 1 year, right? And then this is again non-current liability, again more than 1 year. This is again less than 1 year, right? Okay, so this is the simple format of statement of financial position, right? Now I will give you all 10 minutes, right? Not more than 10 minutes. By 5:50, I'll be here. I want you all to prepare the statement of financial position and then we'll discuss, right? Okay. Right, students, the time is up. Okay. So I hope you all have at least tried this, right? So let's quickly move on to the answer, right? So I'll prepare the answer, right? Okay. So can someone please confirm you all can see the format that I have drawn? Okay. So this is the format. Someone please confirm. Yes, you all can see clearly. Right. Thank you. Thank you, Ziana. Thank you, Lakshini. Yes, thank you. Right. Okay. So this is the format that you have to draw, right? First of all, description, cost, accumulated depreciation, net book value. Okay. So the format is given, right? And then before that, on top of this, you have to write the name of the business and the statement of financial position date, right? So I don't think I need to write all of these, right? So quickly moving on. First of all, you have to mention non-current assets, right? Non-current assets, right? And then you can go as current assets, right? And then you can go as equity, right? And then you can go as non-current liability, okay? And then you can go to current liability, right? Very simple, right? So now we are ready to start, right? Okay. So underline this. I will bold these areas so that these are the topics, right? Okay. Right. So first of all, cash at bank. Okay. I don't think I need to show you the question because you're already having the question with you all. Okay. So I'm moving on to the answer. First of all, cash at bank. Okay. Cash is a current asset. Okay. You can't keep it for more than 1 year. Cash at bank. How much it is? Right? How much is the cash and bank? Cash at bank. Okay. How much it is? 366. Okay. Sorry. What happened? Right. Okay. 366,000. Let's put this as accounting format. I'm pretty much used to this Excel. Why? Because I'm working. So in the future, you will definitely have to use Excel sheet once you are done with A levels. When you are doing CA or ACCA or these courses, you will have to use Excel sheet. And whenever you are working, yes, you will have to do Excel sheets, right? Okay. So Excel sheet is very important and you can do everything easily, right? So first of all, cash at bank. Right. Let's put in this column. Right. Okay. The next one, cash in hand. Cash in hand. Right. How much? 4,000. You have to put it under current assets. Why? It's less than 1 year. Right. And then accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. How much it is? 337,000. Right. And then inventory. Inventory is also should be in the current component. Right? Inventory also should be in the current component, right? We are moving on to the next one, furniture and fittings. Where should it be? Come on. Should it be on the current assets or non-current assets? Furniture. And someone please tell me. I don't know the answer. Where to put the furniture? Yes, very good, Ziana. Right? So furniture has to be in non-current assets. Why? What is the reason? The reason is you can use furniture for more than 1 year. Definitely, you use furniture for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Okay. So those days, better quality furniture, definitely you can use for 20 years, at least minimum. right? So for example, the sofa in our house that was bought even before I was born. Okay, so it's like 30 years old. The sofa, 28. Yes, 28. 20, yeah, 30 years old. Right. Okay. So furniture is done. Accumulated depreciation on furniture. You have to put here minus 180,000. What is this accumulated depreciation? Yes, the useful life of furniture keeps reducing. Right. You can't use the same furniture for 200 years. 100 years, can you use it? No. Right. Okay. And then the next one, accumulated depreciation is done. Delivery van. Yes. Can you use a van for more than 1 year? Definitely you can use. Right. So 560,000. Yes. And then the depreciation, 60,000. Let's put as minus 60,000. Right. Accounts payable. Is this a asset or a liability? Come on, quickly. Someone please quickly put in the chat box so that we can quickly move on. Is this an asset or a liability? Accounts payable. Very simple. Yes, very good. Current liability. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Lakshini and Ashini. Sorry, Lakshini and Ziana. Right. Arva is silent. Come on, Arva. Make sure you're in the game. Right. Okay. Accounts payable. How much? It is 468,000. Right. Done. 12% bank loan. The current and the non-current portion. Bank loan. Bank loan. The non-current portion is 500,000. The current portion is how much? Sorry, you can't put the current portion here. You have to put the current portion under the current liability. Right? 200,000. Right. Done. Then the next one. Lessor. What is this lessor? Lessor is something you buy. For example, you buy a vehicle for lease. Okay. You buy a car for lease. Right. Who is the lessor? The person whom you have to pay. You have to pay, for example, monthly 100,000. Right. So that is what lessor is. Right. So lease is also you have to pay. That is a liability. And then the non-current portion of lessor, you have to put under the non-current portion. They have clearly given 260,000. It is clearly given. And then the current portion, put this under this part. Right. Okay, done. And then the bank OD, bank overdraft is always a current liability. You have to settle it within 1 year. Right. Prepaid expenses. What is this prepaid expenses? Come on. Is it an asset or a liability? Is this an asset or a liability? Yes, very good. Very good, Lakshini and Ziana. You are answering quickly. Very good. Right. Prepaid expenses is always a current asset. Right. Why? You pay it in front. It's an asset for you. Right. Accrued expenses. It's a current liability. We all know this. Right. Whatever the expense that you have to pay, that is called accrued expenses. Income received in advance. Is it an asset or a liability? We have received income in advance. We have received an income in advance. Is it a current asset or liability? Come on, quickly. Income received in advance. If prepayment, if you pay in advance, if it is an asset, if you receive something in advance, what should it be? Very simple. Yes, yes, yes. Arva is correct. It is if you pay something in advance, this prepayment is an asset. If you receive something in advance, it is the opposite of this, right? So it is a liability, right? Income received in advance. How much it is? It is 40,000. And then allowances for expected losses. It is a liability, allowances. 37,000. Land and building. This is a non-current asset. The reason is what? Yes, you can use for more than 1 year. Accumulated depreciation on building. Land never has accumulated depreciation. Right? So we are done. Now let me know how to find the equity. Last part, equity, they have not given. How to find this? In accounting equation, we have done this. Right? Ashini Puta, welcome. Welcome to the class late. Right. We are almost done with the first question. If you miss this, what will happen? Yes. The basics of financial position is completely finished. Sampurnam ivarai. Yes. Will you watch the recordings? Yes. Sometimes you can forget to watch the recordings also. Then what will happen? May financial statement කියන ප්‍රශ්නෙම එපා වෙනවා. So make sure to watch the recording of whatever we have done. It is very, very important. Can someone please tell me how to find the equity? Equity they have not given. I don't know how to find the equity. Can someone please help me? Then you have to ask me, sir, you are the teacher. How can you not find the equity? Teacher should be able to find the equity, right? But can someone please help me to find the equity? Looks like Ziana is helping me. Yes, very good. Lakshini has also helped me. Very good. Here you go. This is how you do it. Wow, Arwa is also helping me. Thank you. Thank you for helping me how to find the equity. Right? So what you do? Yes. This minus total assets minus total liabilities will give you total equity 1.3 million. Right? Finally, what you have to do? Yes. Now both are tallying. Right? So these two have to always tally. If not, your answer is incorrect. Right? Okay. So we are done with the question. Please make sure you take this down quickly. Huh? I can't give you more than 5 minutes, right? Not more than 5 minutes. By 6:10, we are starting the next question, right? By when? By 6:10. Right. Okay, students. I hope you all have taken this down. Right. So again, we are moving on to the next question. Okay, without delay. Let's quickly move on. Right. Following is the trial balance extraction. Right. What you have to do? Prepare the statement of financial position. Right. Out of the above bank loan, 110 will be paid on or before. They have given now two adjustments. Two adjustments they have given. Right. Out of the above bank loan, 110 will be paid on or before 31st March 2024. Out of the above lease creditor, 1/5 will be paid on or before 31st March 2024. Right? You have to prepare what? Yes. You have to prepare statement of financial position. Very simple, huh? Very simple question. There are more hard questions that will be tested in your real exam paper. Okay. So this is very simple, huh? Right? Even though it looks hard, right? I know at first glance, oh, it looks hard. What to do? How to do? But remember, there are more complex questions that will be tested. This is one of the easiest questions, right? So I'm giving you another 8 minutes, right? Another how many minutes? 8 minutes by 6:20. We are coming back, right? By 6:20, right? Probably yes, 7 minutes. Your time starts now. Quickly do this. Right. Okay, students. So I hope you all have attempted this. Right. So I'll make it a little bit big so that you all can properly see. Right. Okay. So let's move on quickly to the answer. First of all, what you have to do, just copy down whatever that is available in the question paper. Right. So right. So let's move on. Building at cost. Right. Okay. Building 75,000. Very simple. It's a non-current asset. Very simple. And then the next one, motor vehicle. Someone doesn't understand anything, please ask me, okay? Make sure you all are understanding everything, right? 150,000. I hope you all can see the Excel sheet that I'm showing, right? If you can't see the Excel sheet, please let me know. Right? Furniture is how much? 35,000. Very simple. Furniture is a non-current asset. And then land is also a non-current asset. Right? And then you are going to accumulate a depreciation. What is depreciation? Reduction in value. 10,000. Motor vehicle, right? Okay, let's put this within the brackets. Let's put this as minus, okay? Right? And then minus 54,000 is motor vehicle depreciation. And then furniture depreciation is 7,000. For land, there is no depreciation. You can never depreciate land. Why? Land value never goes down. Land value goes up. Very rarely, very seldom does the land value go down. Right? 9,000 is the inventory. Inventory is a current asset. Right? And then fixed deposit. Fixed deposit, we have to consider this as a long-term fixed deposit, okay? Let's consider this as a long-term fixed deposit, and we can put this as non-current asset. Right, okay. And then trade receivable. TR, let's put this as TR. This is a current asset. And then you have given trade payable as well in the same line. Okay. Trade payable in the same line. You put it under where? On the current liability, you have to put it. Okay, students, please don't write anything. When I'm explaining, please don't write anything. I will give you all time to write. Okay. Please don't write anything. Please just keep watching. Don't even touch a pen. Okay. Please keep watching whatever I'm doing. Just observe, but make sure you are focusing and observing. Okay. Right. Bank loan. Bank loan is how much? 12,000. Lease creditor. How much? Please don't write anything. Lease. 10,000. This is how much? 10,000. Right? Cash balance. How much is cash? Yes, we have to put it under current asset. Why? You can't keep cash for more than 1 year. Accrued electricity bill. You have to pay electricity. Can you take it for more than 1 year? No. You can't drag the electricity bill for more than 1 year. What if you do so? Electricity board people will come and cut the electricity. You will not be having electricity. Right? Prepaid insurance. We spoke that prepaid insurance is always an asset. Right? Prepayment is always an asset. Right? And then EPF and ETF payable. You have to pay it within the year. EPF, ETF. How much is the values? 15,000 and then 3,000. EPF, ETF payable. Allowances for expected losses. Allowances. How much? 1,500. Short-term investment. Yes, it's an asset. You invest somewhere, it's an asset. It's short-term means it's a current asset. Right? Let's put this here. Let's delete this. Let's put short-term investment. How much? 500. Patent right. What is this patent? What is this patent? Yes, it is an asset. Huh? Patent right means, for example, right? Abans has the patent right to do the business with the name of McDonald's, right? Abans has the right in Sri Lanka. Now McDonald's is no more there with Abans, but earlier Abans was having the patent right of conducting business with the name of McDonald's. Okay, so can you conduct McDonald's business for more than 1 year? Definitely you can conduct. So that is why patent is a non-current asset. Right? Very simple. Right? Okay, we are done. Next, what we have to do, please don't write anything. Please keep focusing on whatever that I'm doing. I will give you all time to write. No pen in your hand. Okay. Out of the above bank loan, additional information I'm reading right now. Out of the above bank loan, 110 will be paid on or before 31st March 2024. 110. That means how much is the bank loan? The bank loan is 12,000. You divide this 12,000 by what? 12,000 divide by 10 multiplied by 1, the one portion, right? What is that one portion? 1,200 is one portion. This will be paid. You have to pass a double entry. What is the double entry for this? Can someone please tell me? Paying 1,200 of bank loan. I only want the double entry. Quickly, someone please tell me. Can someone please tell me the double entry for paying 1,200 of bank loan? I'm still waiting from all 5 students, all 4 students. Still waiting from Ashini, Arva, Ziana, Lakshini. Let's see who gives first. පළවෙනියට දෙන්නේ කවුද කියලා බලමු. I want just a double entry. Yes. Yes, very good. Simple. Okay. Very good. Lakshini has given the answer. Very simple. What you do? Your cash will go down, right? When you pay bank loan, your cash will go down. Cash credit by 1,200. Your bank loan liability. Bank loan is a liability. It will go down. If bank loan is a liability and it goes down, you have to always debit 1,200. මෙන්න මේ entry එක තමයි මෙතන දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. Okay? Very simple. Right? Now what you do? Yes. මේ 1,200 එකෙන් you have to reduce 1,000. Sorry, this 12,000, out of this 12,000, you have to reduce 1,200. And then from cash also you reduce 1,200. Very simple. This is why I told you all not to write, because you will have to again erase everything and do it. If you have done it correctly, okay. Right? Very simple. We have done this. The next part. There is one more adjustment. Out of the above, I'm reading additional information in the question. Out of the above lease creditors, 1/5 will be paid on or before 31st March. So 1/5, right? We are talking about 1/5. Right? We are talking about 1/5. How much is the lease creditor? It is 10,800, right? 1/5. You divide by 5 multiplied by 1. How much will you get? Let's check. How much is 1/5 of 10,800? Yes, it is 2,160. The same double entry. Same double entry that we did. Lease creditor debit 2,160. And then cash. Credit by how much? 2,160. Very simple. This is all you have to do. මෙච්චරයි. ලොකු දෙයක් නෑ. Right? So what you do? You have to make the adjustment. Minus 2,160 you put here. And then how you go? You pay. Yes, you have to pay by cash. You put the double entry here. Very simple. Done. We are done with this. Right? Okay. So we are done. And then what we have to do? Again, equity is not given. We have to again find the equity. Right? So total assets is given. Right? Now we are again moving on to total liability. Very simple. Yes. How did I find the total equity? The same thing that we did last time. Total assets minus total liabilities. Now, is this telling? Yes. The two yellow colored ones are telling. Total assets is 345, 140. Total liability and equity is also 345, 140. We are correct. Done. Right? So now I'll give you all time to quickly get this down. And then we are finishing the class today a little early because a little bit of an emergency, right? So with this question, we are finishing the class. So quickly complete this and let me know so that we can wind up the class. Right. Okay. So has everyone taken this down? I hope everyone is completed taking this down. Right. Finally, the balance has to tally the 345, 140. If I zoom out more, it will it will not be visible, right? So if you all want, I can send this to the WhatsApp group. Okay. So saying today's answers, right? If you all want. Okay. So is anyone who has not completed this but wants the answers? Is there anyone? Can I put in the chat box? Have you all completed? Or should I send the answer? Lakshini is done. Ziana, Arva, and Ashini. Ashini is also done. Or you all can finish it within the next 2-3 minutes. Right. So looks like I will have to send this to the WhatsApp group. Is that so? Right. Okay. So let's wind up the class for today. I will send this answer to WhatsApp group, right? Saying today's answers. I'll send both of them. And then okay. So this part is done. Right. Okay. So this part is done. And then we are moving on to the next part. Right. So next part will be done this Sunday. Right. Hopefully. This Sunday, right? So let's do this on this Sunday, right? Morning, 8 o'clock, hopefully, we are meeting. Right, students, all the best. Thank you. I'll send the answer, the same answer for you all to get, for you all to copy it to the WhatsApp group. Okay, students, all the best. Yes, welcome.